Can I do the poke bowl but with cheese?
With cheese?
Yeah, like a couple slices of like American cheese, and then just microwave it so that the cheese is melted.
Okay. So you want warm microwaved tuna in a poke bowl with the melted cheese on top, American cheese,
Yeah.
right? And you want it all in the same bowl.
Yes, please.
Okay, that sounds delicious. Sounds really good.
All right, ladies, and I have those 2 martinis here for y'all. And can I get you guys anything to